Ken from Alliance Manufacturing with a sweet message. SUITE, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. I've been talking a lot lately about our 3R program. It's recondition, retool, reuse. We take existing machines that we either buy back or bring back in trade, and we repurpose them for another useful life. This particular machine is a rotary indexing system. We brought this back a few months ago, been working on it the last 4 weeks. This machine has a servo-driven indexing conveyor. We designed a custom fixture. It's used for cleaning aluminum bumper beams. So parts are loaded at this position, and then they will rotate through a wash, through a blow-off, and then back to the operator. Servo-driven, very accurate positioning. This machine is able to process parts on a 1-minute cycle time, so high volume. It's got a new filter chamber, new pump on the backside, completely cleaned up, fully refurbished. The electrical panel has been gone through. This is just a really good program. We take these machines, we bring them back, clean them up, and find a new home for them. In this case, the customer had a very hot need, needed a machine quickly. We were able to do the refurbishing and the retooling quickly and got them a machine in a very short lead time. So it's been a very successful program for us, and maybe we would be able to help you. And so if you're interested, feel free to contact us, and have a sweet day. Thank you.